Jenny, did you buy the new iPad? 我没买。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? The best answer is B. Annie didn't buy a new iPad. 小云来了吗？她没来，她病了。Which of the following is true according to the dialogue? The best answer is B. 小云没来。
Did you go to the gym today, Mark? 我没去，今天我很忙。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? Please choose the best answer. The best answer is A. Mark didn't go to the gym today. Mark, did you watch the movie? How is it? 不好意思，我不知道，我没看。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? Please choose the best answer. The best answer is B. Mark didn't watch the movie. Mark, did you go to the party yesterday? 昨天我很累。What would he probably say? Please choose the best answer. The best answer is C. Mark, did you go to the party yesterday? 昨天我很累，我没去。